So in today's video, I'm going to be showing the fitting of rimless frame. The lens we are fitting into it is a bifocal lens, photo AR, and the rimless frame is a pure titan, screwable rimless. So the first, I'm going to get my screw, changing the head to the rimless spanner while I dismantle the frame after that. As you can see, I'm dismantling the frame, separating the demo from the body of the frame. You know that rimless, the essential part of rimless is the handles. That's the handles and the nose bridge. So I've been able to separate the handles and the nose bridge, freeing up the demo for marking and the screws intact. The other fitting parameters like segment height and interpupillary distance taken care of, and the demo is being used to mark on the fuse photo bifocal lens. That's that. I've traced the demo pattern on the lens ready for shipping, as you can see. Then I've gone to the next stage, which is chipping of the lens. That's cutting of the lens, making use of hand cutter. As you can see how I'm doing it professionally and skillfully. As you cut the lens, you need to be very careful to avoid damaging the lens. Now I've finished cutting the lens. As you can see, it is good now in the same shape with the demo, as you can see, ready for glazing. Then I've sent it to glazing machine to smoothen the surface and make the surface smooth and also glazed down to the size of the demo lens. As you can see, as I'm glazing it, I'm doing it with respect to the demo so that the final work will be identical with the initial work. As you can see, the job is done. Now the demo is identical with the lens, so I'm going to cast the drilling pattern of the demo on the lens before proceeding to the next stage of the fitting. Now, with the aid of a sharp pin, I've been able to cast the pattern, as you can see, doing it professionally and skillfully. Then that has been done. And make sure that the pattern is casted efficiently to avoid error fitting. The pattern has been done, casted efficiently. Now I'm proceeding to the drilling process. Now I'm drilling on the casted mark on the lens. So you have to drill front and back to avoid pulling of the lens from one side. As you can see, the hole has been created for one region. I'm proceeding to the second region of the rim lens. So this is a detailed video. As you can see how I'm doing it skillfully, professionally. So I'm done with one lens. I'm going to the second one. So I'm drilling it, as you can see. This job is done in Lumen Optical Lab. So make sure you subscribe for more optical content and follow other of my page. So that has been done. As you can see, the hole has been created. The next thing I want to do now is to make the rotational control cut. That is, this cut controls the extent of rotation. So that's that. As you can see, I've done one has been done. The other eye, this has been done efficiently. It controls the extent of rotation. So I'm making the other cut. So as you can see, and all this must be done carefully and efficiently for neat and accurate fitting. So that's that. So it has been done for the nose bridge, the nasal part, almost complete. Then I'm going over to the temple cut to control the extent of rotation. So this must be done efficiently to avoid the joining of the drilled hole with the cut. So this has been done efficiently. The other one is being done also. As you can see, finishing almost. So this has been done. So the rimless has successfully been drilled and cut, identical with the demo. As you can see, that's the length. So we'll go over to the polishing of the surface for a shiny and more cosmetically appealing look. So you shine on the fiber first, then you shine on the shining fiber. So that's as you can see. This process must be done carefully because polishing machine can push off the lens from your hand because of the speed of the rotation. So that has been done. Then I'm proceeding to the coupling of the rimless. So I'm going to now mount the glazed lens into the frame. So you first of all put the washer, then you put the lens, then you put the top stopper, after which you screw it up one after the other, making use of my screwdriver spanner. So this has been done, as you can see, skillfully. That's that. And I'm going to put the second one, put the stopper first, then put the second lens, then cover it with the stopper, after which I will now put the screw and now tighten it. So don't forget that this job is done in Lumen Optical Lab, who offer efficient and effective optical services. So you can still subscribe for more optical content, and we also offer optical training for opticians and other eye care professionals that wants to gain optical knowledge and experience. So you put the second washer or stopper, then put the temple, screw it. The job is almost ready. So that's that. You screw it up. The job is almost ready. Then the last temple, you put the stopper first to cushion the metal lens contact. So you put the second one, then you now put the bolt screw and tighten it up. And when you have done that, the job is ready for usage. You can now smile. As you can see, the job is ready and done effectively. And I'm the first to test it, as you can see, proudly done in Lumen Optical Lab.